Hi, my name is Paris Boothia. My joy is to make both men and women look and feel their best using non-invasive treatment, using good skincare, and also whole food. Now, every Friday, I promise you that I'll do my very best to answer your question that you said on my DM, that you ask us when you come to Timeless Medical Spa about skin treatment, and even the food we eat. So today, I will be answering some of the questions you've sent about body contouring. Paris, body contouring, is it a myth or is it true it works? If I've had a baby and I have issue in my belly, I have stretch marks, I have cellulite, can really body contour help? So I'll be answering all those questions, and I won't be alone. I'll have somebody who has been so kind, volunteered to be my model today. So we'll be demonstrating the treatment of abdominal area, and she's had 2 children. So I'll be explaining what body contouring can do to help you and what do you need to know about it. All right? So without wasting your time, let's just dive into it. So guys, that was Superderm massage that we just did. What we did, we were hitting the tissues, yeah? We went up to the epidermis part of the skin. Why? Because all we're trying to do here, how does this body contour? Body contouring, let's start there. It's of many types. You can do body contouring surgically. That is the people who will choose to go do tummy tuck. Yeah, that is surgical. Or you can do non-invasive, like we are showing you right here, whereby we are using machine. Like now what she's doing is radio frequency. So we're heating up the cell, and then in doing so we melt the fat, and also in doing so we increase collagen and elasticity of the skin. As you can see, after 2 babies, her skin, her belly is not as flat as she would want it to be. So literally what we're trying to do now is tighten the skin. However, now I try to be very honest when I do this video. Now someone wrote to me and said, this body contouring, are you sure it's really going to tighten my abdomen after having 2 children? So if you've had 3 children and you have a little bit of loose skin, then that can be tightened through body contouring, non-invasive. However, if you have loose skin, that is sagging skin, that is excessive skin, you know, that even if after you've exercised, you've done your sit-ups, you've done your you've done your cardio, you've lifted weight, but you're still fighting that you still have that loose skin, that one, the only cure for that would be tummy tuck. But body contouring using an invasive machine is for a stomach like this one that I've been showing you, because it means she just need to heat up the tissue, increase collagen, increase elasticity, and she can go back to the belly she used to have before her battle of joy. So literally the best thing to do is for you to go for consultation, so that the person who will be doing the body contouring can determine for you what sort of body contouring do you need. Do you need to do surgery, or do you want to do non-invasive? Can you even use topical cream? Some people will even just exercise and they have back their dream body they had before the baby. So like I said, we're going to continue demonstrating. I've already demonstrated to you doing Superderm massage, which is to help with heating the tissues, increasing collagen and elasticity. And we also going to use radio frequency. Again, this is safe. and we're also going to do ultrasound so that we can go up to the dermis level of the skin and start heating it up from there. And what will happen, you wonder, how will this fat melt and where is it going to go? It's going to go through the lymphatic system, and then after the treatment you go to the bathroom and you will pee, it will be in your urine, and that is how this treatment goes. So I know a lot of people now have question. Paris, do you mean to tell me if I had a baby and I come there for one treatment my belly will be flat? No, it's a lie. It won't be. You're gonna need about 6 to 12 treatments scheduled weekly for you to see results. But will you see minimal result from first treatment? You will, but that will be you've lost maybe the excess water, and that's what will make you feel like you've received treatment. And then as you continue being consistent, as you come weekly, by the time you're coming the 4th week, you will start noticing that your skin is feeling tight. You will start noticing that if you have, remember, body contouring, this machine we are using today, which is a Lumicell Wave 6, doesn't only treat reduce the fat, it also treats something we know called cellulite, because you know we all know that every woman from the age of what, 12 has cellulite, some sort of cellulite. This machine is very good at minimizing those. It's also very good for stretch marks. We all know when the skin is stretched beyond what it can handle, when a woman is pregnant or when you exercise and lift heavy weight, you can develop stretch marks. Now this treatment will also minimize stretch marks. Now, will they disappear completely? Some people, yes. Some people, you will have it, you will see that it's reduced up to maybe 50, 60, 70%. So you will look better. Your skin will look smoother than it did before doing the treatment. So again, in this machine, we will combine also something called mesotherapy, where she will feel as if these needles going in her skin, like little needles. Yeah, we will be using electricity literally, and all we're trying to do is just melt the fat in the cellular level, in the epidermal level, and she's going to go to the bathroom, and in about 4 weeks, this belly, like you see a little bit jiggle now, it'll be a little bit firm. Yeah, that's the goal. The goal is that the belly will tighten and the cellulite will minimize, and also the stretch marks. Who can do this treatment? I mean, I said if you are over the age of 18, you can do this treatment. Yeah, it is not just for women, it's also for men. Let's say you've been enjoying yourself a little bit and you've gained a little bit weight, and now you want to lose it. Yeah, you're getting that beer pot, and now you want to work out and lose the beer pot. As you're working out, if you want to accelerate the result, this is a good way of doing it. If you had surgery, even after you've had your surgery, say you went did your tummy tuck or you know any other kind of surgery, and now you feel like you cannot exercise, you're not ready to go back in exercising, now this machine is another good way of exercising for you. So am I saying that when you start doing body contouring you forget exercise? No, that again another lie. You still need to continue exercising. Remember, you're only doing this treatment once a week. So if you can combine with exercise, you will then have better result. Now, can you maintain this forever? Now you're gonna ask me, if I do it and I do 6 treatment to 10 or 12 treatment, am I done for life? No. If again you go and get lazy and you didn't exercise, you're not washing your diet, you are eating junk, you will go back to where you are after a couple of months. However, this result is good. Once you've done the full session, it's good for 1 year or 1 year to 2 years, depending with are you exercising, are you maintaining good healthy habits. So it is a good one. Say if you had a wedding coming, or you have that you wanted to go from size 10 to size 8, it's a very good treatment to do, because then you'll be able to maintain it if you are exercising and washing what you eat. So what are the side effects? Aha, good news. The side effect for this one is flat belly, it's reduced cellulite, is reduce stretch marks. So literally this machine, honestly, we've never done this treatment and somebody came to us and say, oh my God. The only side effect I can say, honestly, it's your skin, depending with the technician that was doing it, depending with the therapy that was doing it, your skin could feel a little bit laid. That's about it, and it only lasts for like a day or two and you are okay. So it's something you can do on your break time. It's something you can come do and you go back to work. You don't do it and then we tell you no, you have to take few days off. No, you can actually come during your lunch break, do this treatment and go right back to work. And if you honestly stay consistent, I promise you, you will see result. But if you want to come and do 2-3 treatments, you will see very minimal results. So once you decide you're doing this thing, you must commit to at least 5 to 6 treatment, at least, at the minimum. But if you want to have full effect treatment, depending again with how much fat do you have on your belly, on your thighs, how much stretch marks, how much cellulite, you might have to do 6 to 12 treatments. So I hope I've answered you. Is it a myth or is it true body contour work? It does work, people. It really does work. All you have to do is be consistent with it and also be on a good diet, and also remember to exercise 3 to 4 times a week, if possible 5 times a week. You will definitely have the body you dream of. There is nothing like free lunch, people. If it's free, somebody paid for it. So you are the person. You want that 6-pack, you want that flat belly, you want, those firm arms. You have to either exercise, you have to come for body contouring, you have to watch your diet, but it's not just gonna happen when you're sleeping. Even if you went for surgery, even if you went and did surgery, to maintain those results, you're still gonna have to watch your diet. Otherwise, you'll have lost your money. I hope I made sense. Continue writing to me. Remember, your health is your wealth. Write to me, watch this video, share it, subscribe if you haven't already done that. That's the only way you support us. And if you haven't already visited us at Timeless Medical Spa, please do so. We are located at Lavington Mall, 6th floor, if you are in Nairobi, Kenya. If you're not in Nairobi, Kenya, we welcome you the day you come for safari in Kenya. Visit us. I love you. Until next Friday. Bye.